In this video, new Chinese KJ-600 AWACS on the deck of the new Chinese aircraft carrier Fujian. KJ-600 is a Chinese twin-propeller, quad-tail, high-wing military aircraft designed for cargo and airborne early warning and control, designed for carrier-based operations and seen to be deployed on Fujian aircraft carrier. Fujian is a Chinese conventionally powered aircraft carrier serving in the People's Liberation Army Navy. It is the third carrier of the Chinese aircraft carrier program and the first of the Type 3 class. It is China's first indigenously designed carrier and its first capable of catapult-assisted takeoffs, catabar. Previous Chinese carriers used ski jumps, stowbar. It is also the second carrier in the world, after the United States Navy's Gerald R. Ford, to have electromagnetic catapults for launching carrier-based aircraft. Thanks for watching.
If you sail across the water with my ear, I don't wanna say something.